Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will continue our chapter number 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Now today is the last topic of the chapter, that is development of fruit. A true fruit is formed as a result of cell division, expansion and differentiation in the ovary. Means the ovary is transformed into the fruit as a result of stimuli received from pollination as well as from the developing seeds. After receiving the necessary stimuli, the ovules that are present inside the ovary are transformed into seeds and the wall of the ovary is transformed into the pericarp. Here is the longitudinal section of mango. This is the outer wall that is known as the epicarp. Inner fleshy part is known as the mesocarp, and the internal seed that is known as the outer part of that वो जो हम जिसको गुठली बोलते हैं आपकी, that is known as the endocarp. And inside it, अगर हम उसको तोड़ दें तो उसके बीच में से क्या निकलेगा? Seed of a mango. This is the longitudinal section of the mango seed. The growth of the fruit is generally very fast. For example, an ovary of pumpkin shows 20 times fold in just 2 weeks. 20 times folds in just 2 weeks. इसीलिए तो pumpkin इतना बड़ा हो जाता है. It is very difficult to define fruit, but in common language, fruit may be defined as an edible part of the entire gynoecium. Fruit may be defined as an edible part of the entire gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female part of the flower, which is sweet, juicy, fleshy, colored, and encloses seeds. Here are the seeds. However, students, botanists divide fruit into two types: true fruit as well as a false fruit. What is true fruit? The true fruit derived from the ovary of a flower not associated with non-carpellary parts. Not associated with non-carpellary parts. For example, brinjal, tomato, grapes, cucumber, pea, etc. And next is the false fruit. The fruit is derived from the ovary along with the carpellary parts. For example, apple and fig. ठीक है जी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एप्पल एंड फिग. नेक्स्ट, द ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी दैट डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड देयर कल्टिवेशन इज नोन एज pomology. It is known as pomology. Now, students, what is the in the starting I have told you that कि it is formed by receiving the stimuli from the pollination. Fruit तब develop होता है जब इसे pollination से stimulus मिलता है. Now, what is the role of pollination in fruit development? Pollination is an important process. It is essential for the development of fertilization. You all know very well. For seed development, for the growth of ovary. After pollination, the pollen grains release the wall-held proteins and other components. These wall-held proteins are known as the recognition factors. Means they help in bringing the pollen and the stigma come close to each other. As soon as the fertilization occurs, then zygote is formed that stimulates the growth of fruit. ठीक है जी. Now second, role of seeds in fruit development. What is the role of seeds in the development of fruits? Developing seeds have a very important role in formation of fruit. It has been observed that young apple fruit with seeds on all the sides develop normal shape. If seeds are present only in one side, only that side of the fruit develops well. Why? Scientists have confirmed that seeds are essential for normal development of fruits. ठीक है जी. It was further investigated that seeds release hormones known as auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, which help in the development of fruits. Third is development of parthenocarpic fruits. Parthenocarpic we have discussed in the first chapter. Parthenocarpic means directly developed from egg. ठीक है जी. नाउ इन fruits, how parthenocarpic plays important role. Some plants are able to produce fruits without fertilization. They are known as parthenocarpic fruits. They are seedless fruits. ठीक है जी. Common example are banana, pineapple, etc. Fruits formed here as a result of stimulation by pollination, but without fertilization. ठीक है जी. But without fertilization. Next is ripening of fruits. After the period of growth, due to the cell division and enlargement, the mature fruit undergoes some qualitative changes that are referred to as fruit ripening. Some of the important changes during these ripenings are, for example, softening of fruit. Food soft हो जाता है. क्यों हो जाता है? Due to the enzymatic degradation of the cell wall. सेल वॉल की इंजाइम्स की हेल्प के साथ डिग्रेडेशन हो जाती है. ठीक है जी. और हाइड्रोलाइटिक कन्वर्शन ऑफ जो उसमें स्टोरेज मटेरियल होता है वो सॉल्युबल शुगर में चेंज हो जाता है. जैसे ग्रेप्स हैं वो स्वीट होते हैं, एप्पल का मीजोकार्प स्वीट होता है, चेरीज अंदर से स्वीट होती हैं. ठीक है जी. देन क्लोरोप्लास्ट, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट टू कैरोटीनॉइड रिच क्रोमोप्लास्ट. जो क्लोरोप्लास्ट होता है, ठीक है जी, वो किस में चेंज हो जाता है? कैरोटीन्स में चेंज हो जाता है. दैट गिव करेक्टरिस्टिक कलर टू द फ्रूट, जिसकी वजह से हमारे फ्रूट्स का एक डेफिनेट कलर आ जाता है. रेड आ जाता है एप्पल में और ऑरेंज में ऑरेंज आ जाता है. ठीक है जी. इन सर्टन फ्रूट्स ripening is also help in increasing respiratory areas. Next topic is apomixis and polyembryony. Apomixis and polyembryony. What is apomixis? Students, a normal sexual reproduction in flowering plant involves the transformation of sporophytic cells into haploid gametes by meiosis, and then result, उसके बाद क्या होता है? उस हैप्लॉइड गैमेट्स की फ्यूजन होती है. ठीक है जी. जिसकी वजह से डिप्लॉइड जाइगोट बनता है. तो वो जो जाइगोट है, इट डिवेल्प्स इनटू एन एम्ब्रियो एंड द ओव्यूल इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू द सीड. बट कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं, दे हैव द एबिलिटी to develop seeds without fertilization. Means तो इनके जो रिप्रोडक्टिव प्रोपेग्यूल्स होते हैं उनमें मियोसिस नहीं होता है. तो द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रिप्रोडक्टिव प्रोपेग्यूल्स विदाउट मियोसिस एंड सिनगेमी, विदाउट मियोसिस एंड सिनगेमी, सिनगेमी मीन्स फर्टिलाइजेशन, इज कॉल्ड एपोमिक्सिस. Is called apomixis. The apomixis is the mode of asexual reproduction. Here are the kinds of apomixis. Apomixis is divided into two types. First is adventive embryony. In adventive embryony, formation of embryo from the diploid sporophytic cells. Formation of embryo from the diploid sporophytic cells of ovule. For example, in citrus. For example, in citrus. Second is parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis, you know very well, formation of embryo from unfertilized egg. Next is apospory and apogamy. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एम्ब्रियो फ्रॉम एनी अदर सेल ऑफ एम्ब्रियो सैक. एम्ब्रियो सैक का कोई भी सेल है उससे क्या होता है? एम्ब्रियो बन जाता है, बट विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. हियर ऑल्सो विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट इज पॉली एम्ब्रियोनी. नेक्स्ट इज पॉली एम्ब्रियोनी. ड्यूरिंग एम्ब्रियोजेनेसिस, जब एम्ब्रियो की डेवलपमेंट हो रही होती है तो उस टाइम क्या होता है? एम्ब्रियो डेवलप्स फ्रॉम जाइगोट इनसाइड द एम्ब्रियो सैक and the embryo sac becomes the endosperm. ठीक है जी. Embryo if develop increase the number of embryos inside the seed, then occurrence of more than one embryo is called polyembryony. Means an embryo developed from zygote inside the embryo sac and The development of number of embryos inside the sac is known as polyembryony. With this, our second chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, is over. In the next session, we will switch over to the next chapter, that is known as the human reproduction. Thank you and have a